everyone. Welcome back to English with Study and Careers, the podcast. I'm Zara.
And I'm Paul. We are so happy you are here today. How are you, Zara?
I'm great, Paul. I'm excited because today we are talking about one of my favorite things, hobbies.
That's a perfect topic. Learning to talk about what you love is a great way to practice English. But before we start, if you are listening on YouTube, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps our channel.
Yes, join our community. Okay, today is an A2 level lesson. That means we will speak clearly and use simple words.
Today, you will learn how to ask about hobbies and how to describe your own. Let's get started.
So, Paul, when we talk about hobbies, we usually start with a simple question. Listen, everyone. What do you like to do in your free time?
That's a good one. Let's say it again slowly. What do you like to do in your free time?
Friends at home? Try saying that out loud. Good. Now, Paul, how do I answer that?
You can start with I like or I love followed by an activity. For example, I like cooking or I love playing football.
Great. Let's practice some common hobby words. I will say the word and you repeat it. Reading books. Watching movies. Listening to music. Gardening. Traveling.
Good job, you're improving already. Now let's talk about frequency. How often do you do your hobby? Zara, do you like gardening?
I do. I love gardening. I garden every weekend.
Every weekend. That is a frequency phrase. You can also say once a week, every day, or sometimes.
Let's try a mini dialogue. Paul, ask me about my hobbies.
Zara, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like listening to music. I listen to music every morning while I have coffee. It makes me happy. What about you, Paul? What are your hobbies?
I love photography. I take photos of nature every Sunday. It's very relaxing.
That was great. Now let's add more detail. A friend might ask, why do you like it?
To answer why, we use adjectives. Listen to these words. Fun, relaxing, interesting, exciting.
For example, I can say, I like reading because it is relaxing. Paul, why do you like photography?
I like photography because it is creative and fun.
You can also talk about who. Do you do your hobby alone or with friends?
I usually take photos alone. It is quiet. Zara, do you listen to music with friends?
No, I usually listen by myself, but I go to concerts with my brother.
Let's listen to that full conversation one more time. Listen for the what, the when, and the why. Short pause. Zara, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading. I read every night before bed. It is very relaxing. Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I love playing basketball. I play with my friends on Saturdays. It's very exciting.
Did you hear those parts? Every night, relaxing, with my friends.
You're doing a great job listening. If you need to, rewind and listen again. Repetition is the key to learning.
We are almost at the end of our lesson. You did wonderful today.
Let's recap. To ask about a hobby, say, what do you like to do in your free time? To answer, say, I like or I love, and add a reason, like it is fun.
Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just try to speak. Every word you say is progress.
We want to hear from you now. We have a fun community question for the comments section.
Today's question is, what is your favorite hobby and why do you like it? For example, you can write, I like swimming because it is healthy. We read all your comments and we love seeing your practice.
Thank you for hanging out with us today. You're doing great. Keep practicing and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone. Happy practicing.